Every day, Google is delivering thousands of leads in your city, in your niche, just dropping them off like a little baby bird or whatever. Nobody's optimized for it. Turn this website into a giant API call. I got that print stuck in my head. All right, I'm sure you don't want me to sing. Jump onto it. I'm going to show you a 3-layer architecture where we are going to convert an HVAC domain into an API, giant bunch of API calls for agents that can communicate, even take that money, honey. Now, the old SEO got the page indexed. Agent SEO and zero-click conversions are literally going to book the call. They're literally going to put money in your pocket. Now, why are traditional websites failing? Google indexes it. They kind of understand your services. You might have them filled out, might not. On a sidetrack here really quick. AutoGeo. This is a fucking amazing research paper that what they were able to do is they take a small local AI's model. I believe they were using like LoRa, fine-tuned it on a data set they scraped. Basically fine-tune that model so it would write in a way that the AI model would favor it. And there's actual free version here. If you click the little demo do, it'll rewrite it for you. Now you have to remember, why does this work? It works because AI models literally they don't know what words are. They convert a word into a token, into a number, and then they just do a bunch of math behind it. Results here are, number one, prompt injection still work. All right. Go over is they actually used traditional SEO tactics and it hurt them. If they say traditional SEO and GEO, it's the same thing. Not always. I mentioned it was like 140 times cheaper than running like a traditional large language model. Yes, AI models, even the large ones, big ones like Gemini, have blind spots. Really feeling frisky? There's your GitHub. Now back to our regular schedule. All right, now I can't believe I'm actually giving this away here on YouTube for free, but I know everybody's talking about schema and whatever, it's played its part. You're not going to throw a schema up on a website and start to get rankings and conversions unless you do it right, okay? Schema is the last piece that Google just blindly trusts, but you have to understand what it's doing. So I'm going to give you an analogy. Think of Google's index as like a giant filing cabinet. The @ID tells Google exactly where your data is inside of that giant filing cabinet. Hashtag is a fractal, and basically what I'm trying to say is you can grow your knowledge graph. So when Google crawls a page or an AI model crawls a page, they're looking for that machine readable code, which is the JSON. Same thing that the well-known file, everything is JSON. Even all llms, so they speak is in JSON. If they see the same data on different platforms that are trusted, enough times, like 3 times, 5 times. They log that, but then they actually start to grow different nodes on your knowledge graph, and that basically creates your entity and connections and all that dramatic increase on your actual ranking. So, are you going to throw a schema up on here and get a bunch of phone calls the next day? No. Are you going to after a couple of months? Maybe if you do it correctly. You can also you can target competitors. There's some slick stuff that you can do, like using reverse schema, where you can actually get credit for backlinks that you probably really have. There's a lot of stuff you can do. You can connect yourself to high authority entities in your city. I'm not going to continue. Check out the AI infrastructure. What do you think happens when you click that button? We're going to knock this out super quick. We need to have a public facing website and what's behind the technical aspect, under the hood, so to speak. Coverage, can it get a price? Can it book a call? Can it pay me my money? All right, listen, start small, okay? Start off with an open API.json and your API availability files. So you've got like a live calendar availability along with just like a very basic API that an agent can send and ask for data, right? Here, I'll let you guys download it. We've got our skill. So our request service quote skill is just a markdown file, right? With our post endpoints, and it actually applies to our agent card, which is our JSON, right? Well known, our JSON file here. And you can see everything it is. You can copy and paste and just put your stuff in there. These two go together. We got our card JSON. The bird is, I promise you he's healthy. He's going through a molt. This is our sitemap XML. Right here, as you can see, nothing special about it, right? I'll drop these below where you guys can take a copy if you want to take a look at them, but it's literally that simple. Upload them in your file directory, wherever your website may be. Done. You talking to agents, baby. Value to y'all. Check out the Uzi. We're doing a 90-day build it live. Agent system that learns over time. Discord, all that other bullshit. I'm out. Peace.